Right now the views we will not see. I'm just thinking about to see some beautiful metro stations, because I always was thinking when I will be in Sweden I will go all around the metro station because they're beautiful, but it's not all of them are beautiful. There is multiple of them. One we will go, and from there we will take maybe from there I will go back home, but yeah, we need to reach it. Yeah, from this one we will definitely go back. Let me see this one. It's also station? No, it's something else. Something else. This one will go tomorrow. There is still, I just pointed. Probably this one. This is too far. So the plan is, it's also not a lot of time already. They hold improvised dance forms in nightclubs. Honestly, that's impressive. There is so many there. Whoa. So many, what? Park, we also don't go to park right now. We have just nightlife in Sweden so far, in Stockholm. I will show you. So now we are like, it's a Stockholm. Why my phone is not focusing right now? It's a Stockholm. We went all the way. Today I went all the way down here. You see, all the way to south, and there is a beautiful place. There is. I was here. It was a beautiful place. We were walking around. There was some cliffs, nice stuff. And in the last day I will go to the north. So I'm just like around this area. Yeah. But I think we already arrived, no? We should. I feel something in my throat. Not very. I feel. Grustem. Hello.
Spårväg City, stam, fjärr och regionaltåg. Possibility to change to metro and long distance train.
I don't know if
Avstigning sker på höger sida i tågets färdriktning.
Hello, hello.
The platform is on the right-hand side.
Which place are you going? Are we going to center? I'm not sure. Where is the central station? I need to ask because... No, I don't think so. What? I think we are in the... Yeah, let's go out. Let's just go out. Stockholm City. I think this is the one. I'm not sure. I think this is the one. Our station, I don't know. It's written Stockholm City, so we are in the center somewhere. Because my map also very bad in the metro. It's jumping this dot is jumping here and there. They have really nice stations. They have really nice stations. They said metro. Metro is only in Stockholm. What? Let's go out. Also, my friend also gave me some suggestions. So maybe we'll go to the boat tomorrow. We'll have some small little ride. I have a plan. Seems like we out. That's it. Wow, and they have really big. Oh, I think I came here from the. Yes, from the. Ooh, look, I'll show you. Who needs maps? I don't know. Nobody needs. Look, when I came first time from airport, it was not working, and I was walking all the way. Look, I was walking all the way up, and I was like with a big bag and stuff like this, and it didn't work. So I was walking, and it's so big, like huge. I was walking. Now I'm also walking, but also going with a walking. Looks like it's very deep. Water can break, they just become stairs. Yes, and imagine the funny thing. I was in the half. No, I was like almost up. And I saw another started working already, but I couldn't go back because it was below. I was just exactly in my minutes. I don't know where we go now. Ah, we are here. Got it. You know where we're going right now? There is a Iron Boy.
What's up, bro? I'm in teaching Charlotte.
Go. Bye.
Yeah, teaching Charlotte. I don't don't know. I'm really just like vibing.
The Bishop's Arms. Look. Cool restaurant. Not as here in metro stations or they have shops everywhere. Very, very supermarkets, cafes. Okay, we are in the city. Let's go. On the sea. Now I know the T is a metro. Trome. Metro. 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 Giga giga. I feel like I know where I am, but to be honest, I don't have an idea where. Never gonna give you down. Na, 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 na. Metronome. Ah, you see, I thought my feelings said me go to this direction, but actually we need to go to another direction. You see my feelings. Today is warmer than yesterday. Today is warmer in the evening. Yesterday I needed sweeter this time, and now I'm just it's warmer. We are going to Metal Boy. It's like a small little tiny boy, metal boy, literally. And we go and think about some wish. Is that music I can hear? Wish music. Helsinki? What is the weather? What is the weather there? I think it is warmer. La 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 la. Marsu! Is it Saturday today? Welcome, Marsu. I don't know the days. For me it's a traveling days. Which day of the week? I don't have an idea, to be honest. I'm just traveling. Stockholm McDonald's. I'm in the city center. What is the supermarket you go to there? I don't go to supermarket right now. Yeah, you were right. Who said that? I think Farm said that they have a big variety food, and it's true. They have such a big choice of food. When you go to supermarket, there's such a big choice. That is so cool. We don't have it like this. In Portugal, very poor choice, or maybe I already used to it. I think here is just like really just a lot of things, a big choice. Always saw you coming, tell me who. I don't know what happened. It suddenly stopped. Father's Day. Good night. Have a good night. Thank you for coming. Take care. Take care. Italiana, Greek taverna. It's a Thai restaurant, Thai festival. Stockholm Thai Festival, and I hear some live music, Thai music. Is that karaoke? Cool. Is it karaoke? Sweden, the most northern part of Thailand. Horrible thing, yeah. it shows me to cross here? Okay. Ow. Not. I don't understand. Look. No, wait. So weird. The easiest way to sit at home on your bed and just judging people or something when they do something. Maybe not perfect, but they're brave to try some things. And after bled. Ah, that's a nice, beautiful water. Wow, that's a beautiful. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. But we need probably to go up, not from down. Or should we? I don't know. Train. Are we supposed to cross this bridge? Oh my god. Can we go from here? Yeah, I think so. As a Swedish doesn't look like Swedish. It doesn't look like Swedish and doesn't they don't sound like Swedish.
I also learned about the legalization of weed.
Seems like some Indian vibe over there. Turkish, maybe. Maybe. Wow, that's so beautiful from other side as well. Greek, maybe. Yeah, there is like sometimes I cannot recognize between this. Welcome back, Kukuoka. Oh, this is beautiful view. I need to make a picture. The train is coming. It's very beautiful. I always think next time I will do only one picture. Look, But why it doesn't focus? Something with my camera. Look, it never focused anymore like this. Why? What to do? Do you know, guys? Like, I cannot show you anything right now. Is it like some settings? What is happening? Wait. No, not too close, Stefan. Right now it's like... I think I know with the lenses. No, it's not about lenses. It's clean, you look. I mean, you can see right now why it's like this. It's normal. It's not about lens. I think I changed something on the settings. Okay, I think because I was clicking there something. Yes, I think I did something. Alright, but now I cannot do it because I cannot do it back because... Oh look, is that a royal palace? I need a good thinking too. Yeah, I think I want to see that royal palace. Oh! Car starting. I want to do something. Oh, okay. Turn off autofocus. Yeah, something. But right now I cannot do it because I need to switch off. It's not good to cross it, but I want to go to another side to see this road. Look how beautiful. Always think to myself, next time I will do one picture and that's it, because at home later I'm sitting and I cannot choose, you know, for posting or something. But then I do again million pictures and then again I cannot choose, and it's like going round and round. Oh my god, look how beautiful. This is a royal palace. It's very big and beautiful, and it's like on some small island. The upper part looks modern, the lower part looks historic, yeah? Upper part, yeah, there is some glass. Here is architecture, I feel like it's mixed. Mix of things.